Welcome back to Auto Rush Motors, the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles and bikes. Today we're talking about a motorcycle that has already set pulses racing across the biking community. It's sharp, it's fast, and it represents the next leap forward in the Indian performance bike scene. Yes, we're talking about the 2026 TVS Apache RR 310. This machine has arrived not just as a facelift, but as a complete reimagining of TVS's flagship sport bike, and in today's video we're going to explore its design, its performance, its features, and why this new Apache could be one of the most important motorcycles in its segment. So grab a seat, turn up the volume, and let's get into it. The Apache RR 310 has always been a statement bike from TVS, blending track-inspired engineering with everyday practicality. With the 2026 version, TVS has doubled down on this philosophy, giving the bike a more aggressive stance, advanced aerodynamics, and a level of refinement that makes it feel like a superbike in a compact package. The first thing you notice when you see the bike in person is its bold new design. The sharper fairings, sleeker LED headlamps, and those aerodynamic winglets give it a dominating road presence. The front fascia is slimmer and more angular, while the tail section is inspired by superbikes, shorter and sportier. Even the paint schemes have been updated, with racing-inspired liveries and metallic finishes that shimmer beautifully under sunlight. But design is just the beginning. Underneath the bodywork, the 2026 Apache RR 310 is powered by an updated liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that now meets the latest emission standards while also delivering more performance. TVS has worked on refining the combustion system, optimizing fuel injection, and reducing internal friction. The result is a bike that produces slightly higher horsepower and torque compared to the outgoing model. Riders will especially notice the improved mid-range, which makes overtaking on highways effortless and adds more punch when accelerating out of corners. The top speed figures have also gone up slightly, and the bike feels more planted and stable even at higher triple-digit speeds. Now, if you've followed the Apache series over the years, you know that handling has always been one of its strongest suits. The 2026 RR 310 takes it up another level. The trellis frame has been stiffened and lightened in key areas, which improves agility without sacrificing stability. The suspension setup has been refined with race-tuned KYB units that provide better damping and adjustability. Whether you're carving mountain roads, hitting the racetrack, or simply commuting through city streets, the suspension feels composed and confidence-inspiring. The braking system has also been upgraded, with dual-channel ABS that now comes with multiple modes, allowing riders to choose between track, rain, and road settings. This gives you greater control over how the bike responds in different conditions, and it's a feature usually reserved for higher-end superbikes. Another area where TVS has really pushed the envelope is technology. The 2026 Apache RR 310 comes with a completely redesigned TFT instrument cluster. It's larger, brighter, and loaded with features. You get turn-by-turn navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, music and call alerts, and even detailed telemetry data like lap times, lean angle, and G-force measurements. It's essentially a rider's cockpit with everything you need to stay connected and informed. The switchgear has been redesigned for better ergonomics, and the addition of ride-by-wire technology has unlocked multiple riding modes, including urban, sport, rain, and track. Each mode changes throttle response, ABS, intervention, and even traction control settings, making the bike versatile for different riding scenarios. Speaking of comfort, the 2026 RR 310 has made significant improvements in rider ergonomics. The seat cushioning has been upgraded, the clip-on handlebars are slightly more adjustable, and the footpeg positioning strikes a balance between sporty and comfortable. For long-distance riders, this means reduced fatigue on extended rides, while for track enthusiasts, it still maintains an aggressive crouched stance when needed. The pillion seat, while still compact, is more supportive, making it a better option for occasional two-up rides. Now let's talk about real-world usability. The bike is designed to be not just a track weapon, but also a practical motorcycle for everyday use. The fuel efficiency figures remain respectable for a 300cc sport bike, and with the optimized engine mapping, riders can expect slightly better mileage in city conditions. Heat management has also been addressed, with improved radiator efficiency and better air circulation around the engine. This makes city commutes far more comfortable, even during peak traffic hours. Another exciting update is in the area of connectivity. Through the TV's SmartConnect system, riders can now sync their smartphones with the bike to access ride statistics, geofencing alerts, and even remote diagnostics. This level of integration makes the 2026 Apache RR 310 not just a motorcycle, but part of a smart ecosystem where technology and riding come together seamlessly. In terms of safety, TVS has equipped the bike with dual-channel ABS, traction control, and hazard lighting features. Some variants even get a quickshifter, allowing clutchless upshifts for smoother acceleration. This isn't just about performance, it's about safety too, giving the rider more confidence and reducing fatigue during long rides. What's really impressive is how TVS has managed to balance performance, features, and affordability. While the 2026 Apache RR 310 does see a slight price increase compared to its predecessor, it still undercuts many international rivals in the same segment. That makes it a fantastic value for money proposition for enthusiasts who want the thrill of a high-performance motorcycle without breaking the bank. So who is this bike for? The Apache RR 310 is perfect for riders who want an entry into the world of sport bikes but don't want to compromise on daily practicality. It's also a great option for experienced riders looking for a second bike, something nimble and fun for weekend rides and track days. With its blend of aggressive styling, powerful engine, advanced electronics, and everyday usability, the 2026 Apache RR 310 strikes a sweet balance that very few bikes in this class can match. To wrap it all up, the 2026 TVS Apache RR 310 isn't just an update. It's a statement of intent from TVS, showing the world that Indian manufacturers can compete with global giants when it comes to design, technology, and performance. From its aerodynamics to its electronics, from its engine refinement to its smart connectivity, every aspect has been thoughtfully crafted to create a motorcycle that excites and inspires. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2026 TVS Apache RR 310. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest bikes and cars, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and join the Auto Rush Motors family. We've got a lot more exciting content coming your way. Until then, ride safe, stay passionate, and keep the rush alive.